a lifetime in repeat.
Friends, as I promised you, I will be telling you the best mix for these succulents which I showed you in the last video, and these are the ones. They are still alive, they are very happy, and it has been almost more than a week, so they have settled down to my environment, to my place, so there will be no shock for the plants to go to another pot. So this time I have decided, this is just like a DIY. So basically succulents, I think everybody likes it, but we have to do a hit and trial method. Which medium is best for your succulent? That depends upon the topography also. Where do you stay? Do you stay in a colder region or in a hotter region or in a humid region? So you have to keep on experimenting unless you find the right recipe for the succulents to grow healthy and nice with you. So here I start with my recipe which I decided to grow these succulents, and this is the recipe. Before that I will just tell you, these are the succulents. These are the pots which I bought. The first ingredient is this. This is called as coal cinder. It is very good for the succulents as it is also a mineral and it does not hold any water, so the roots don't get rot in this medium. The second thing, as you all know, is this perlite, which is light, which makes the ingredient light, and with this they have air pockets which the succulent, if wants the air, can get through this. This makes the mixture very light. This is vermiculite. This is basically for indoor plants, but you are supposed to put little less water if you are using this medium. This is vermicompost. I'll be using very less proportion of this. And this is neem khali, which is basically is going to work as a fungicide also, because the main problem with the succulents is that they get a fungal infection very soon on the roots and the plant starts dying. And the another thing is that the water is retained in the roots and the plants die. So all these components doesn't hold the water, only they give the enough water that they absorb the water, but it drains out quickly. And this is what is very important. And another thing is this river soil, which is very very important. As you all can see, this is reta jis hum kehte hain, and these are the small charcoal pieces. They are also very helpful for the succulents growth. And in the last, I'll be covering the layer with these pebbles. One thing is that they make the plant very attractive, and the second thing is that the leaves of the plants don't get touched with the water which we give. So this also is I will be sharing another video in the coming time in which I will be telling you all detailed things and their properties and their importance after that. And one more important thing, these are the small pieces of the broken earthen pot which I will be putting in the hole, so that whatever ingredients don't drain out, only the water goes out. So this is also very very important. And now I will start. I will be putting almost 70% of this, and rest I will be putting all this in the proportion of 30%. So here I go with the mixture which I am going to make. First I am adding coal cinder, which you can see now. This coal cinder, I'll be taking one proportion of this. Then I will be taking little bit of vermicompost. This was perlite, this is vermicompost. Then I will be taking the neem khali, as you all can see here. And I will be putting, since I am going to put the plants mostly indoors, so I will be putting this vermiculite also. And in the before that I will be putting these small pieces of charcoal. This is a normal charcoal which most of the presswalas keep, and they iron your clothes with this ingredient only. So I will be putting these little pieces here. and then I will be putting sand. I will be putting a little more sand. Okay, fine. So as you all see, all the mixtures which I had here, I am just going to mix them up nicely. Now it has got a nutrition, it has got the value, and this seems to be an okay one. You need to give a nice mix so that all this is mixed thoroughly. It is full of nutrition, and wish me luck that I grow these plants well in this medium. Okay, fine. This mix is ready now. Okay. So the whole it has already come out, a little bit of sand, doesn't matter. So I'll be using one pot. Okay, fine. This is the beautiful one. So it has got a drainage hole. Drainage is very important. If the drainage is not there, certainly your roots are going to die very soon. So I will be covering with the small pieces. The drainage hole is one. If it has got more drainage, it will be much better. So I'll be just putting one small this thing, and I will be putting my mixture here. This is enough. I will be taking out my first succulent. You have to just loosen this, and this is quite loose now. A little bit of soft hand so the roots don't get damaged. I'll be just taking out the it's got very long roots. So I will be just making it a bit lesser here so that there is space for the roots to go. And this is how I will be refilling it. And I'll be putting some beautiful white gravel so that it looks nice. And I told you that then the leaves will not touch the water. So now I will be shifting it to somewhere else, and I'll show you how I am going to give water to this. And one more important rule, that your water should not touch the leaves, because leaves don't want water. This is how my water goes. Now you can see clearly that my water is not enough water. Once only. Now you can see that the extra water has come out like this. See, the water is dripping. So this means that we have given enough water, and whatever extra water it had, it is now draining out. This is what is important. Now maybe for another 20 days I will not be watering this plant at all, because it has already taken the amount of water which it required. So this is my first, and I'll be doing rest of the plants like this. I hope you like this. I can put a little bit of more so that it looks nice. So I bless this plant, it grows well, and next time after 3-4 months I show you that it still survives and it looks healthy. And thank you for your love and your comments, and if you really like this video, do comment, do like and give the thumbs up. I'll be really happy. I hope this video is of some use to you. So signing off for now. Bye bye.